Statistical information and data-based statements. Consider the following extract from a newspaper article. In the Leaving Cert of 2009, 23.6% of students sitting higher level applied maths achieved an A grade, whereas only 10.2% of those sitting higher level English got an A grade. This shows an unfair bias towards the sciences against English. Part 1. At face value, do you think the conclusion is valid? Explain. On first reading, it appears as if there is a bias in favour of applied maths, not sciences in general, over English. Part 2. On further research, you find that 1,333 students took higher level applied maths in 2009, while 32,863 students took higher level English in 2009. What is your opinion of the conclusion in the article now? Using a calculator, the number of A's in higher level applied maths is 315. This is 23.6% of 1,333. Of A's in higher level English is 3,352. This is 10.2% of 32,863. So there were more than 10 times as many A's in English than in applied maths. This in no way supports the conclusion drawn in the article.